Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the door and exposing the pin so it moves. First, remove any hinge leaf screws that block upward pin removal. Support the door with a wedge or 2x4 to prevent sag. Next, score paint and debris around the pin with a utility knife so it won't bind. Then tap the pin upward with a punch or nail set. Use steady, short blows. Once the pin budges, push it further with a hammer until the head clears the hinge barrel. You continue by switching to a punch slightly smaller than the pin shaft and aligning it squarely. Tap from the bottom upward with short, firm blows so the pin moves without bending. If the pin resists, apply penetrating oil and let it soak for 10-15 minutes, then try again. For stubborn pins, apply moderate heat to the hinge barrel to expand metal slightly, but make sure nearby finishes won't scorch. Once the pin is proud of the hinge, grasp with pliers and pull it. You finish by checking the hinge and pin for wear. File any burrs and replace parts if needed. To reinstall, lower the door onto the hinge, insert the pin and seat it fully with light taps so the hinge aligns, then tighten screws evenly to secure. If the pin bent or won't clear, drill a small pilot hole through the exposed end and use a slide hammer or extractor tool to remove it. One tip: if paint reseals the pin, score and reapply penetrating oil before tapping again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.